I was a STEM lab teacher prior to coming to PASCO, and I had multiple preps. I had different grades of students, and I really wanted to get into more tech with my students. But when you're switching from one grade to the next or one prep to the next, it's tough doing programming with a lot of bits and pieces and wires and soldering boards. So these kits take all that away for you. We include everything in the kit that you need to do the activities. And for this one, we now are introducing the control node. So what's really special about this device is you can use data inputs from the code node, brightness, light, sound, acceleration, and you can program physical outputs. You can actually make things move using the control node. So this kit, it's an engineering style kit. So we have all sorts of accessories that students can use along with the code node and the control node when they're programming in Blockly. We have a servo motor, we have a high-speed stepper, we have a USB fan. We even have the screwdriver, the rubber bands, the paper clips, the string, everything that you need. So we're going to give you a little bit of a tease to show you one of the activities, actually two, that you can do with your students with this kit. All right, so I'm going to take you into Blockly, and let's talk about the real-time data collection, because the coding is important. We really want to drive home with that, but we also want to emphasize that PASCO, we've been doing data analysis with our wireless sensors and passport sensors for many, many years, and it continues with this line. So I have my code node connected, and right now you're seeing tilt angle X, and there's a reason I'm going to show you this. So I'm going to start collecting data, and I'm going to tilt my code node back and forth. Actually, and I'm going to stop it for a second because I don't want you to see my program just yet. I should have disabled that. Okay, so I'm going to do it again. I'm going to click Start, move my control node. Let's try that one more time. I think I freaked the program out. There we go. I go back and forth, and that's tilt X. If you went forwards and backwards, that's tilt Y. For this program I've created, I want to use tilt X. So let me show you how that works. I'm going to go back to the code block and switch over to my code. So this is essentially what I created. The students are challenged with creating a meter that moves based on the tilt of the code node. So if I tilt the code node 90 degrees, it's going to go to 90 degrees. If I keep it flat on its surface, it should be at 0. So let's see how I did. All right, I'm going to press Start. Okay, should be at 0, and I am. And I'm going to tilt my device back and forth. And you can see I'm using the input from the code node to move this meter here. So that's one of the activities the students can work through. But let's kick it up a notch and give them another challenge. So now we understand how to program this servo motor. That's the main thing the students are learning in this activity, is how to program angles with that servo. Now they're going to turn this into a game. So if you've used the code node before, you might have seen that we have a number cube game where when the students shake the code node, it shows the number on the 5x5 LED array. Well, we've kind of combined that with this activity. And now it's going to let me know what number I rolled on my number cube based on the angles. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to open my second program. All right, and I'm going to be using acceleration Y in this program, and let me show you the code. So now you can see we've gotten a little bit more advanced here. We've added a lot more. We've programmed the code node to show the numbers on the 5x5 LED array as I shake the device, and then this arrow is going to turn to the number that I roll here. Let's see how I did. I'm showing a 4, and I go to 4, I taped that a little bit too low. Roll to 2. Roll to 5. And it's randomized, so sometimes you're going to get the same number. But how cool is that? I'm able to actually create a game with my knowledge of understanding how to program a servo, with understanding how to use the input from this device, all the sensors that are within it.